everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Lemon chicken drumstick curry. Very tasty and very delicious. That I'm going to show you today. And let's get started. The ingredients we need: chicken drumstick. These are fresh chicken drumsticks, and I will wash it and we'll drain the water. 2 lemon. If your lemons are too big, then you can get 2 tablespoons lemon juice. 1 tomato, 1 onion, 1 green chili, 1 inch ginger, which will be about 1 teaspoon, couple garlic cloves. Fresh cilantro, which is a coriander leaf, dhania. As for curry, 1 cup water. If you need to make it running gravy, then you can add more water. Spices for masala dabba and olive oil for tadka. Chicken drumsticks, I washed with cold water, and in the water, 7 chicken drumsticks, tomato, onion, diced, ginger, garlic, green chili, finely chopped. As for lemon juice, I am able to get 3 tablespoons lemon juice. If it's too sour, then use only 2 tablespoons. And let's start making our delicious chicken drumstick lemon curry. Start burner. Get a kadai. Add 1 tablespoon olive oil. Add half teaspoon cumin seed. Cook for 10 seconds. This is good. And now we're going to add ginger and garlic. Mix it. Cook ginger and garlic until the raw garlicky flavor is gone, like 10 to 15 seconds. Now add onion. Mix it well. Keep it moving and keep cooking until the onions are nicely translucent. Onions are translucent. Now we're going to add green chili. Mix it and cook green chili along with tadka for half a minute. Cooking green chili for half a minute. Now we add tomatoes. Mix it. Once it's nicely combined, spread it evenly. Cover with the lid and cook it for 3 minutes so that tomatoes get tender. With the cover lid cooking for 3 minutes, I'll open the lid. Mix it well. And if you see, the tomatoes are nicely tender. You can mash it or you can leave it like this. Now add spices: salt, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, Kashmiri mirch. Half teaspoon each. Mix it well. Cook spices along tadka for 1 minute. Cooking spices along with tadka for 1 minute. Add half cup water. Mix it well. Bring the tadka to boil. Once it's nicely bubbling, mix it. Add chicken drumstick. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, now add lemon juice. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, with open lid, cook for 10 minutes. So keep it moving so it won't get burned at the bottom. With open lid, cooking chicken drumsticks for 10 minutes. Initially we added half cup water Now I'll add 1 cup more. Mix it. 1.5 cup more. Altogether, we added 2 cup water. Scrape out all the masala. Cover with the lid and on medium gas, cook it for 15 minutes. Stir it occasionally so that it won't get burned at the bottom. Serve with roti, chapati, fulka. Serve with the perfect soft fulka roti. I have video posted on my channel how to make a perfect roti. Lemon chicken curry will be done. This is how it looks after 10 minutes. Mix it. After mixing it, cover with the lid again and cook additional 5 minutes. Another 5 minutes. Altogether, cooking for 15 minutes. Mix it. Lemon chicken drumstick curry is all done. You can see the meat start to pull back and it's fully cooked. Add good amount of cilantro. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, bring the gas to simmer and let it simmer for 3 minutes. Another 3 minutes on a simmer. I'll open it. Turn off the gas. Mix it. It's all ready and all dished. Lemon chicken drumstick curry is all ready. I have my serving plate ready and look at this. Simple and quick and easy. Very delicious recipe. Super yum. Let me share with you. As you've seen it, it's so easy to make lemon chicken drumstick curry. It's so tasty and super delicious. Serve with roti, chapati, fulka, naan, parantha, best of all with rice pulao. Please try it and comment below how it turned out for you. Like always, like, share and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.